Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you use Snapchat. So we'll go to talk about how can you use your Snapchat. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So in first we will go to talk about how can you find your following stories. Here in this list, you will find here your following stories. So just swipe like this here and you will find it here. So when you click on this sign here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Here can you invite your friends to another apps, and here can you invite them from your contacts. So then here you will find your request friend. If you have if any friends send you a request, you will find them here in this list. Just click on accept here if you want to accept them, or click in this sign here if you want to remove them. And here can you add or quick add here, can you add it here. So suggest friends, can you add them here in this list. So then we will go to talk about next here. You click on your photo profile, then it's going to take you to this list here on your profile here. So and here can you just click on public profile, then here can you manage your public profile. Then here you will find your stories, spotlight, and insights, your insights, and here spotlight. So then here can you add your photo profile. Then we will go back here. So we will go to click here on photo profile. We will go again. Then here you will find your account when you click on it. So it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click in this sign. When you click on it here, then here can you change your name, and here your username, just click on it. It's going to show for you like this. Add it here and you click on change username. It's the same for all this here, your birthday or and for your mobile number. Then here your email. So then here can you manage password, can you change it, just click on it and here add password here. So then here notifications, you click on it. Then here can you manage your notifications. If you want to enable it, just click on this sign. When this color show for you, that's mean you enable this here friend suggestions. If you want to disable it, you click on it again. That like you see, it's disabled with us now. So it's the same of all this here. Can you manage your notifications? So we'll go back, and here your bitmoji here, can you create it in this list. If you want to change your or outfit here, so it's going to show for you like this here. And here can you so select here if you want to change dress, just click on it here. So waiting to open with you, and here can you select all this dress here you want to wear for your avatar here. And here so and here can you so manage your avatar like this now, and choose here. Then here so can you find here jacket or so, and here glasses. And here can you so manage your avatar here. So I'm going to go back, and here can you edit your bitmoji here. So if you want to add hair or mustache or so, here can you manage it or create your bitmoji here. Then here if you want to choose a selfie, just click on it, and here it's going to show for you all selfies you want to select to your bitmoji here. So we will go back here, and here AI selfies here, can you create AI selfies here. If you want, just click on it, it's going to create with you. Then here can you change language. You will find all language you want to add in this list. So then here appearance, you click on it, and here if you want to add dark mode or light mode here. Then here, so can you, if you want to add here on contact me here, here can you select if you want to add friends or friends in contacts who can contact you. And here use by a Bitmoji avatar. So here if you want to add online me or your friends who can see it. And here all this can you manage it like this here. And here common settings, so here can you select here in this list. So in all this can you just select it or manage it here. And here ads, can you add preferences here, can you manage it in this list. So or we in here can you manage your lifestyle and interests, can you select it in this list, it's going to show for you. So in here can you clear cache or clear your conversation or clear your AA data or clear here your search history and clear recent product. Here can you log out, and here can you delete your account. Here can you find your saved login, and here you will find your blocked users you blocked here. So then here when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your photos here you want to add. If you want to add it on your here if you want to add it instant your avatar, here can you add friends, and here can you find your friends when you click on it. Here add your spotlight. So we will go back here. Then here you will find your camera here. Here can you take a picture here, and here you will find the messages. When you just click on it, you will find here all messages you have in this list here. Here can you create or send a message. When you click on this list, you select any of this here of your friends. I'm going to click to this for example. Then you click here on chat. So then I'm going to add here this chat here. So then you click so and just when you add here message, just sorry, when you add your message here, just click on send. Then it's going to send to your friends here. Here can you make vocal voice here, or here, and here can you make call a video call or hair call here. So then here can you send photos here. So here voice or message voice message here. So that's all about messages here. And here can you find location of your friends you have. Here you will find all location where your friends where location or friends location here, you will find it in this list. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.